Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to remove fingerprint on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you have previously registered a lot of fingerprints on your cell phone and you want to delete them, don't need to be worried because deleting fingerprint that are already registered on your cell phone is very easy. And how to do that? If you are questioning, it's very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down, and then here now you can go to fingerprint, face data, and screen lock. And then you can click on fingerprint, first confirm your code, and then after that now you can click on the fingerprint that you want to delete. And then now you can click fingerprint, and then this fingerprint is already unregistered. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.